I saved myself from losing $25,000 during a big September sell-off in 2020. What's up, guys? This is Sangwin. And in this video, I want to tell you guys about a crazy story. Something like unbelievable, okay? And it's going to sound unbelievable because it's going to sound like, man, I predicted the market. I can see into the future or something like that. But I'm going to show you the absolute proof. Okay, but first, let's talk about my hat right here. I just got myself a new hat. This is called Non La. The reason I like to wear this hat because I'm sitting right by the window and the glare just hit my face. So I wear this hat so I can see things clearer. And the reason I wear this hat is my parents and not my parents, my grandparents and great grandparents. Normally in Vietnam, we work. They work in the rice field, and I've been to some of the rice field, and it's really nice. The air is so fresh, and the sky is very beautiful. You can see everything so clearly. But the sun is so hot, and it will beat down on you, and it'll give you a nice sunburn if you don't wear some kind of protection. So these hats are perfect right here. You can wear them for a long time, and your head will be protected, and it's cool. So I like to wear this hat, especially when the sun is hitting my window. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the story that me and my friends we exited the market right at the high, okay, right before the sell-off, and we saved ourselves a ton of money. I personally saved $25,000. Okay, first let me show you the absolute proof. Okay, the proof. Now, okay, this is my Facebook. Okay, you can see my name here, right? This is my picture here, you know. Uh, and on September 2nd, let me make my picture smaller right here. Okay, so as you can see here, on September 2nd, which was a Wednesday, right? Right in the middle of trading day around 1:13. Well, I got out, I exited the market before I make this post, but around 1 p.m. I got the signal from the market, okay? And normally I tell you guys, I do what the market tells me, okay? If she tells me to get out, I will get out, okay? So I got a bunch of signal from the market that says sell, sell, sell now. Hey, Sang, hey, sell, sell, sell now. So what I did was I closed out all my position, which is 8 position at that time, and I posted this post on Facebook, okay? And the post is like this: stock trading update, 75% winning ratio. I closed out 8 trades today, which I took this week and last week. 6 were winners and 2 were losers. I'm gonna take the day off early, and to do the things I need and head toward the gym. Okay, and I even gave the rules of successful trading to my friend. Okay, and this is the picture of the post right here. Okay, I guess I feel like hardly anybody reads it. Look, just a couple. Okay, nobody pay attention to except of course my family and friends. That we trade with. We tell each other what to do and what's going on. Okay. First, look, I'm going to tell you the next day, September 3rd, okay, which is the Thursday. Look, the market sell down a lot, and the market sell down big time. This person right says, you're right. The account in Acorn is down. Okay, now this is a picture right here. Okay, I'm gonna basically pull it up big, so you can see everything. Okay, so here is a picture right here. Here, let me maximize it. Okay, so as you can see at the time, look, I had 8 position at the time. Okay, and this one position right here, the profit was $8,193, which is a nice profit. But my profit goal was around $10,000 for that position. Okay, and another $10,000 my goal for this position too. But because the market tells me to get out, I basically sold all my position at the time and exited the market. Look, I mean, I would never take a tiny 122 profit. Okay, that's too small. but I want to exit the market. I don't want to even argue with the market. You know, if she tells me multiple times with all these signals, then I simply exit the market. So I had about 6 winners and 2 losers. Okay, let me add up all the profit for you, so you can see what I'm talking about. So basically, okay, these numbers 81, 93, 37. When you add it up, the profit at the time, unrealized, was around 16,259. Okay, and the loss at the time, these two here, was 1317. So when you add all these together, the total profit for the day at that time was 14,978, which is roughly $15,000. Now, here is what was going to happen if I did not exit the market. Okay, first, okay, uh, nearly all the profit is going to disappear. That's $15,000, and these 3 or 4 positions right here, they are going to hit my stop loss, and the stop loss around that time was $2,500. Uh, my goal was $10,000. My stop loss was $2,500 per position. Okay. Now, so if they will all hit my stop loss and all my profit would vanish, that is $10,000 plus $15,000 for a total of $25,000. Now, $25,000 for my account, which was pretty small at that time, $53,000. A $25,000 loss would be devastating. You know what I mean? Now, let's go to the chart. Okay, this is the NDX chart. I'm going to show you the NDX and I'm going to show you the S&P chart, which are the two index. Okay, give me a second. So this is the NDX index. The NDX represent the 100 leading technology company that's in the Nasdaq. Okay, most of them are technology company. Okay, now let me show you. Okay, if you look at the bottom where my circle is in the blue, right? September 2nd. Now, September 2nd is the market high. Okay, the market high. Look at it right here. See that nice green cross right at the top? On that day, right, looking at my 7 monitors, I saw a bunch of signals, which is from the market, that says, hey, market is getting ready to top. Sell, sell, sell now. Close, exit all position now. Don't even think about it. As soon as I saw all those, I simply close out all my position, win or lose, whatever it was at the time, and simply exit the market. And little did I know, I and some friends, we exited the market at the very top of the high. Okay, top of the high. And then the next 3 days were just devastation. Okay, devastation. I mean, the market sell down gigantic. Look at this tall red candle here, and then another red candle, and another candle. All these gap up and gap down, it was just insane. Now, during that time, a lot of people who were trading option, all their position was basically crushed. They lose all the value to decay and strike unreachable. And one of my friend that I told you guys, that I ran into in the gym, he told me he lost $100,000. We're talking about $100,000 of his own money during at that time. He was up to 280, so he lost from the high is $280,000, which $100,000 was his own money. He lost it all in September. And from this right here, from this sell down, the market continued gap up and gap down like a kangaroo, and it went down right here. So let's take a look at how much from the high that the market was actually selling down. Okay. So let's find the high of this area right here. So it's like 12, 14, 25. Okay. So that's 12, 4, 25. 12, 4, 25. I made a mistake. That's right, 12,425-ish, right? And then the market sold down to the low right here, which is like 10,750, right? 10,750. So we're gonna find the difference. This minus this equals, and then we're gonna take this right here, divide it by the high. So the NDX sold down 13%. Okay, that's the overall index. A lot of stocks, they were down 20 to 25% from the high. Now, if anyone who trade option and you bought call, all those calls will expire worthless within that month. They can't go reach the strike price, and the time will just simply kill all those. And I saw that I had a couple option position, so I basically exited the market, and some of my friends and family members, they exited the market too, and we save ourselves a ton of headache and a ton of money. Okay, now it is also the same with the S&P index. Okay, SPX index right here, same way. Look, it's sold down. Look at that. If we look at this sell-off compared to the previous sell-off, we're not talking about this crazy Corona crash right here. This is a crash, but this sell-off is big enough that a lot of people lost their account. Anyone who trades option lost their account. Anyone who trades on margin will basically get a margin call, or they have to liquidate their position so that they don't experience any more losses. So basically, that summarized my crazy story, right? And it sounds like I predicted the market, like I have a crystal or something like that, whatever you guys want to think. But these signal that I keep, okay, I have these signal that I watch the market. And you know what is the crazy things? Uh, these signals before this big sell-off, right? They showed up 4 out of 5 times, and of those 4 out of 5 times, the market sell off the very next day or within the next 2-3 days, and it continued to sell down and stay down for like a week or two before it continued to rise back up. Now, as you know, for option trader, timing is everything. And if anyone who swing trade, timing is also everything. And you don't want to be caught up in a downswing of a market. So keeping signal of the market is very important. The market, she tells you by giving you signal what to do, like when to enter the market and when to exit. That's basically it. That is my crazy story. Uh, I guess that's it for now. I want to thank everyone for watching my videos, and if my video helps you, do me a favor, share with friends and family, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the like button. That helps the algorithm of YouTube to show my video to more people, and hopefully my video can help some new traders or new investors avoid a gigantic loss. Okay, like I avoided $25,000 loss, and thank goodness. Okay, so until next time, until my next video, have a good day, guys.